This is the second video on Surds for your 10 higher classes. What I would like you to do is read the knowledge organizer, watch this video and use it to work through the examples. Try the questions from the second page of the knowledge organizer and then complete any maths watchwork set. So to start off, we're going to simplify this surd where we have a fraction. So in this case, what we do is it's the same as writing the top and the bottom line as surds. Now both 1 and 4 are square numbers, so we can simplify that and you get 1 and the square root of 4 would be 2. And that's all we have to do for this problem here. Now, what majority of today's knowledge organizer focuses on is being able to add together surds. Now to add together surds, what you do is think about what you do when you're adding fractions. When you add fractions, you must have the same common denominator. When you're adding surds, you must have the same common number under the square root sign. So what we do is we simplify each surd, the square root of 12 and 2 root 27, and what should happen is we get the same number under the square root sign. And then we'll add them together from that and I'll show you. So if we have a look, the square root of 12, or the biggest square number that goes into 12 is 4. And then that is times by the square root of 3. So when we square root 4, we get 2 root 3. Now this becomes 2 times, and then because it's 2 root 27, we say what's the biggest square number that goes into 27? It is the square root of 9, and then that is times by the square root of 3. We square root our 9 and it gives us 3. Then we go 2 times 3, which gives us 6, and then we write that as the square root of 3. And then what we do is we write that out as our add. Now, what we're doing when we're adding together surds is we follow the same rules as when we're collecting like terms in algebra. If we have 2a add 3a, that gives us 5a. The a stays the same and we add the numbers in front. In this case, it's the same premise. So we go 2 root 3 add 6 root 3. Well, that gives us the root 3 stays the same, and then we add the 2 and the 6 together, and that gives us 8, and that is our final answer. Can you use this video to complete the questions on page 2 of your knowledge organizer and any maths watchwork set? Thank you.